In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of unusual habits and what they reveal about our true personalities. Have you ever wondered what your quirks say about you? From how you organize your workspace to your unique morning rituals, these hidden traits can offer deep insights into who you are. We'll explore various habits and their psychological significance, helping you understand yourself and those around you. So, get ready for an engaging and insightful journey that will change the way you perceive everyday behaviors and their connection to our personalities. Number 1. Nail biting. Nail biting is more than just a nervous habit. It often serves as a coping mechanism for anxiety and perfectionism. Psychologically, individuals who bite their nails may be trying to manage stress or soothe feelings of insecurity. This seemingly simple action can reveal deeper emotional struggles, highlighting a person's need for control in chaotic situations. Take a moment to reflect on your habits. What do they signify about your stress levels or insecurities? Understanding these connections can lead to greater self-awareness and help you address the underlying issues that drive such behaviors. Number 2. Talking to yourself. Talking to yourself might seem unusual, but it can be a powerful tool for enhancing self-awareness and problem-solving. Self-talk allows individuals to clarify their thoughts, making it easier to navigate complex situations. This habit is closely linked to emotional regulation, as verbalizing feelings can help manage stress and anxiety. Consider your self-talk patterns. What do you say to yourself during challenging moments? Reflecting on these conversations can reveal valuable insights into your emotional state and thought processes, ultimately leading to greater self-understanding and personal growth. Number 3. Procrastination. Procrastination often mirrors our fears and perfectionism. Delaying tasks can indicate an underlying fear of failure or inadequacy. This avoidance behavior is closely tied to perfectionism, where the pressure to achieve flawless results can paralyze us into inaction. Think about your procrastination triggers. What tasks do you tend to put off, and why? Identifying these patterns is the first step toward addressing them. By understanding the root causes of your procrastination, you can develop strategies to overcome these barriers and confidently move forward. Number 4. Overthinking. Overthinking often reveals a high level of conscientiousness, where individuals strive for thoroughness and accuracy in their decision-making. While this trait can lead to well-considered choices, it also has its downsides, such as analysis paralysis and increased anxiety. Overthinkers may find themselves caught in a cycle of second-guessing, stemming from a desire for control and predictability in uncertain situations. You may consider your thought patterns. Are you prone to overthinking? Finding a balance is crucial. Learning to trust your instincts while allowing room for spontaneity can enhance your decision-making and overall well-being. Number 5. Collecting items. Collecting items is more than just a hobby. It often reveals deep-seated personality traits like nostalgia and a penchant for organization. Psychologically, collecting can stem from a desire to preserve memories or create a sense of identity. Each collection reflects personal values, whether it's a love for history, art, or nature. Explore your collections. What do they represent in your life? Are they tied to cherished memories or aspirations? We invite you to share your collections in the comments and explore how they shape your identity and connect you to your past. Number 6. Daydreaming. Daydreaming is often dismissed as a distraction, but it plays a crucial role in enhancing creativity and problem-solving skills. When we allow our minds to wander, we tap into our imagination, generating new ideas and perspectives. Additionally, daydreaming can serve as a coping mechanism, providing an escape from stress and reality. Notice how your daydreams might inspire you or help you navigate challenges. Embracing these moments of mental exploration can lead to unexpected insights and creative breakthroughs. So, don't shy away from your daydreams. Instead, let them be a source of inspiration in your life. Each habit offers valuable insights into our emotional states and thought processes, highlighting the importance of self-discovery. By understanding these behaviors, we can gain a deeper awareness of ourselves and those around us. If you found this exploration insightful, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and share this video with others who might benefit from it. Join us for more engaging content that delves into the fascinating world of human behavior and personality.